What next for you with your healing journey? Maybe there isn't.
I don't think I'm doing any more healing. I'm done. I think now this, 12-week deep dive into beautiful somatic healing. Now that this is over, that there absolutely is a massive piece of trust in the divine masculine that has been restored working with you. One of your superpowers, I believe, is the beautiful sound that you bring into this process, and that has been really, I would say, the secret magic ingredient that you bring, because it's been moments of huge shift come through. For example, when I think in the early stages, when I was struggling with sleep deprivation or sleep disturbance, and I was feeling feelings of fear and anxiety, and I think you just sent me a link into one of your beautiful songs that just transmuted that fear, and so that was a wonderful moment where a song just simply vaporized a whole lot of emotion, which was it wasn't expected when I went on this coaching journey that the music was going to be such a big piece. And so there's many occasions where I think you just intuitively would reach out at points with song and music that were just absolutely perfect.
Well, thanks for mentioning that. I'd kind of forgotten until you mentioned it just now. It's been a big part of it, Just
absolutely.
Sharing my own songs from my own experience with the kind of encoded with something beyond myself that I've managed to put into form, but then I feel where it resonates with the other person. It's quite often offline, like we have the session, then I'm going about my day and I remember this song and I think, oh, that resonates with where you're
and
at.
you would send that to me at the exact time where I was feeling I needed a shift. Or,
sort of connectedness in the field.
Absolutely.
And then sometimes we have the songs in the session as well, which is pre-planned but sometimes spontaneous as well.
This is all part of the healing, and it's part of what we cannot see and we cannot understand and we can't quantify, but it's magical.